Hey guys, Charles Jamerlan here, and in this video I want to show you what kind of accommodation you can get for $37 a night out here in Tokyo, Japan. First of all guys, thank you so much for all the views, the likes, the support. I really do appreciate it so much guys, and if you could just also smash that like button down here below, I would really appreciate that, as it would definitely support this channel and I could deliver more valuable content when it comes to travel. So definitely guys, again, please like this video and subscribe. So we're actually out here in Japan for 3 months, and for any kind of long-term stays, it's very important that you look through Airbnb, as you'll find a lot of great deals when it comes to accommodations out here in Tokyo. There's kind of this bad rap about Tokyo being super expensive when it comes to accommodations, but to tell you the truth, it's really not so bad if you start looking for places outside of Shinjuku and Shibuya, which are kind of the main touristy city center hubs here in Tokyo. So we're staying in a place near Chofu, which is west of Shinjuku, and about 20 minutes outside of those areas. So I want to show you what $37 a night can get you out here in Tokyo, Japan. So let me give you a quick tour of our studio apartment here. Okay, so first up, we've got the bed area here, the sleeping area. We've got this twin-size bed next to the outdoor balcony, and you can see the train station, which is very close to us. Not more than a 2-minute walk actually, which is very convenient. So we got a twin-size bed here. So the beds here in Japan are very firm. And you can hear that. You can actually feel the springs when you're lying down on it. That's pretty typical. It's not so bad, but it's a little bit stiff, especially if you're used to Western or American beds. So a little tip for you guys, get some kind of cushion like what we did here. Maybe an extra comforter or duvet or something, and just kind of put it on top, give it a little bit of extra cushioning and support. But otherwise, not really so bad. You do get used to it. Now over here we have the main living area, where we have a little table here. Nintendo Switch does not come included with the Airbnb. That's something that we got, and actually very convenient for passing time. We've got a closet over here. We've got a TV with drawers stacked up. Closet's not bad. We got a lot of space for our clothes, luggage, that sort of thing, jackets. Perfect. A lot of these Japanese studios are outfitted with an intercom system in case you have guests of some sort. So now let's move on to the hallway that leads into the second area of the studio apartment. Come on, let's go check it out. Alright, first up, we have the exit or the entrance to the apartment, and as you see here, we have all our shoes in an area called the genkai, which is where you must leave your shoes before entering the home. That is a must in all Japanese homes. Over here to the left, we've got some extra storage for more shoes in case you have guests. Over here to the right, we have a microwave and all kinds of cleaning tools. Over here, we have the kitchen area. We have a fairly big sink, induction stove, refrigerator, and some storage for foods and other goods. Now here we are guys, we are now going to enter what I think is the biggest difference to a Japanese apartment versus an American or a Western type apartment, the bathroom. Alright, let's check it out. So here's the bathroom guys. We've got a toilet, we've got our sink, and we've got our bathtub over here. So one of the biggest differences of a Japanese sized bathroom versus an American sized bathroom is definitely how small it is. So let me just show you. When I sit on the toilet, as I close the door, there's barely any space between my knees and the door. So if you're a bit claustrophobic, just take note of that. Otherwise it's not so bad. You know, Japanese people have baths at night. You want to clean yourself to make sure you're clean before you go to bed. So despite this being a very, very small apartment, there is still a bathtub that fits one person. Here, I'll show you. Step right in here. There you go. It's still pretty deep. I'm a fairly big guy, so yeah. You could fit one person or two small people. Whatever works for you. And then we've got our retractable, kind of portable shower head there. So if you can notice, the toilet here is not as fancy as you know some Japanese toilets are, as well as the bathtub. We don't have too many different gadgets and gizmos. And again, that's because we're really looking for a basic and a lower cost accommodation out here in Japan. But hey, it still works. Alright guys, so that is pretty much this Airbnb that we're staying at here in Tokyo, Japan. And at $37 a night, it's quite an incredible value. And in fact, if you're staying out here for about more than a few weeks, this particular Airbnb has a weekly and monthly discounts, could even lower the price down to $32 a night. So for what you could get here, for the privacy, for the amount of space, it's quite really a bargain at $37 a night. It's very comfortable for one person, and it's actually not so bad for two. And I think anything more than two would really be pushing it. So, but definitely consider this kind of place when you're visiting out here in Japan. If you like to explore and just kind of spend your whole day out and about, you know, this kind of place is perfect for you, as you only really need a place to kind of lie down and go to sleep and maybe eat some food after a long day of exploring. So anyway guys, thanks for watching this video, and again, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you again on the next video. Alright, thanks. Bye-bye.